how to remove audio from video on iPhone. That's what we are going to learn in this video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and in today's video you are going to learn how to remove audio and detach audio file from video in iMovie on iPhone. Now without any further delay, let's get started. In order to remove audio and detach audio from video in an iMovie project, let's first open iMovie, and here we are going to open an iMovie project. Let's open this one and I'm going to show you how to do that. So tap on edit, and now we are in iMovie project. So as you can see, we have selected this video, and you can see there is a yellow border outside this video which indicates that this video file has been selected right now. And once that is selected, simply tap on this scissor icon in the bottom left corner, and once you tap on that, you will get the option to detach audio. Here you can see there is detach after split. So tap on detach, and after that you will see that the audio has been detached from this video. So both are separated, but even though the video and audio files are detached and separated, if we just delete this video, you will notice that the audio will also be deleted and removed from the project. So simply go back, and here I'm going to show the right way to do that. So let's select the audio file, and once you select the audio layer, you need to tap on this background option that you see here. So tap on background, and now you will see that the audio layer color will change from blue to green, and that is because now the audio layer has been completely separated from this video, and we have detached the audio the right way from video. So even if we delete the video layer now by tapping on the video layer and then tapping delete option, you will notice that the audio will still remain here, and we can use this audio along with any other video. So that's how you separate the audio from video in an iMovie project and remove audio from video. And now if you want, you may simply export this. So this is how you may detach audio and separate audio file from video on iPhone in iMovie project. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use iMovie for video editing as a beginner, make sure you tap here to watch this full iMovie video tutorial. Thanks for watching.